Hello, welcome to the Auto Ricambi 95 amp alternator installation video number 2. So we have removed the old alternator and we have removed the upper alternator bracket. It makes it easier to take the alternator out. And we have installed a new alternator, installed the lower bolt, and we tightened it but still left it loose enough where we can still move the alternator. So this is as loose as this alternator is going to get, so it's a good time to install our belt. And then we are going to just slide the upper alternator mount onto the stud on the block, and we can just leave that loose. The alternator came with this bolt and stack of washers. The two large washers go around the upper bracket, and the stack of smaller flat washers take up the space between the ear and the bracket. So I'm going to remove the one large washer and the stack of small washers. Then simply insert the rest into the bracket, slide on the stack of washers, and then tighten it, thread it into the upper ear and tighten it, and just leave this finger tight. And now this is a good time to install the 19mm nut and the washer that mounts the upper alternator bracket to the engine block. So once that's tight, the alternator belt can be tightened, and then we just tighten the upper alternator bolt. It's 30mm, and then once that's tight, then the lower alternator bolt, that's a 17mm.